the wax gasket with a poly flange. It's a little thicker than standard wax rings with a poly flange that drops down into the toilet flange. Guarantees everything goes into the pipe and it's a lower cost. It also seals in the gases and odors. The downside is it can be a mess to clean up. It deforms easily and cannot be repositioned or reused. Excessive plunging can cause damage to the seal, and it can leak with a wobbly toilet. This is the wax-free toilet gasket. It's very simple to install. These are reusable. These are cleaner and more durable than standard wax rings, and has the ability to stay sealed on a wobbly toilet because of its flexibility. It will not freeze or melt, and this is a Chlorozone rubber material that resists chlorine, bacteria, hard water, and well water. A downside to these wax-free toilet gaskets is it may not fit thicker flanges. It's more expensive than standard wax seals, and it's still a new product, so it might not be tested that much.